In a wide-ranging telephone interview with Radio 100's Stanley Lucien and VANETTA PHILLIP, Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre discussed pressing national issues while acknowledging challenges in healthcare, infrastructure, and public safety ahead of the holiday season. The Prime Minister emphasized the impact of global inflation on St. Lucia's economy and defended his administration's response through various social programs, including a 13% proposed pay hike for public servants.
People's inflation has hit us. That's a fact. All over the world, prices have gone up. We cannot say no. But the prices have gone up, but basically because not beyond our control. And beyond our control. We've tried some means to cushion the impact of inflation, but we need to do more. And people's purchasing power has been eroded. Now, we've also done some softer measures, paying utility fees for children, paying CXC for 2 fees. That is basically helping people in the purchasing power. In terms of the tax threshold, increasing the tax threshold, but people's purchasing power has been eroded, and the civil servants are an important cog in the apparatus of government, and they have to be able to sustain a decent quality of life, and then we think that they deserve that increase. They deserve that increase.
When pressed about the nation's deteriorating road infrastructure, Pierre revealed plans for extensive rehabilitation while citing financial constraints. He noted that a complete overhaul of the national road network would require billions of dollars.
It would take literally $1 billion to repair St. Lucia's roads, all of them. That's a fact.
Yeah.
The country's road network has never been substantially rehabilitated. We did the East Coast Road, our government. We did the East Coast Road, the criticisms about that. And then that was the East Coast Road going into Vieux-Fort. Then, the East Coast Road the West Coast Road going into Vieux-Fort. Then we continue the West Coast Road now. But the road network has not been substantially rehabilitated. That is a fact. And having said so, we must understand that we can't do all in 1 year. To fix the roads, you need to incur debts. We had the infrastructure option as far as the CIP is concerned, and that's for another show. We are in a time of goodwill now, so we're not speaking about that. That infrastructure project was one of the ways that we could get the roads there in a sustainable manner without incurring much debt.
Addressing rising crime rates, the Prime Minister announced plans to enhance police training and community engagement while highlighting recent recruitment efforts.
Well, we just passed out 78 new recruits. 78. The first time we had training for police since 2019. We've just passed out personal parade for 78 of them. We are taking another 78. So the commissioner tells me that you're going to see a bigger presence very, very, very soon, because these 78, some of them are going to be out on the road to serve the public. But so we hope to see some changes there as soon as.
The Prime Minister cited the implementation of a minimum livable wage as his administration's highlight for 2024, while acknowledging Olympic champion Julian Alfred's achievements as the nation's crowning moment of the year. Joachim Du Plessis, HDS News Force.